ladies and gentlemen.
Well, Uptown's got its hustlers, the Bowery has got its bums, and 42nd Street's got Big Jimmy Walker. He's a bull-shooting son of a gun. Yeah, he's big and dumb as a man can come, but he's stronger than a country horse. And when the bad folks all get together at night, you know they all call him Big Jim Boss, just because. Just because. And they say you don't tug on Superman's cape, you don't spit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off the old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with Jim.
Well, South Alabama, come a country boy. He said, I'm looking for a man named Jim. I am a bull shooting boy, my name is Willie McCoy, but down home they can call me Slim. Said I'm looking for the king of 42nd Street. He's driving a drop-top Cadillac. You know he took all my money, and it may sound funny, but I come to get my money back. Everybody say, Jack,
Don't you know?
you don't tug on Superman's cape, you don't spit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off the old Lone Ranger, and you
Don't mess around with Jim. Well, a hush fell over the pool room, and Jimmy come bopping in off the street. And when the cutting was done, the only part that wasn't bloody was the sole of the big man's feet.
yeah, he was cutting about 100 places, and he was shot in a couple more.
And you better believe they sung a different kind of story when Big Jim hit the floor. Woo. Now they say you don't tug on Superman's cape, you don't spit into the wind, you don't pull the mask off the old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with Slim. Come on.
You don't
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Superman's cape, you
Mira,
don't into the wind,
You don't
pull the mask off the old Lone Ranger, and
don't mess around.